And joining us in this debate is Dr. Ravi Bhatt, who's a historian, and he's joining us from Lucknow, and also Sanju Verma, national spokesperson of the BJP. Nishant Raval, he's the national spokesperson for the Congress. Thank you very much, all of you, for joining in. Let me begin with you, Sanju Verma. The claim that is made by the Prime Minister on whitewashing of the attacks on Somnath, its history, its significance. Can you tell us how exactly is this targeted towards Nehru and the political parties?
Thank you for having me over, Anjali. Let me start with Nehru's letter written on the 2nd of March, 1951, where he writes to the then President, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, and I'm quoting ad verbatim from that letter. I confess, dear Rajendra Babu, that I do not like the idea of your associating yourself with the spectacular opening of the Somnath temple, blah, blah, blah. I wish you would not associate yourself with this function because it reeks of Hindu revivalism, and then many other, things were said which are irrelevant to the debate. But the moot point is, Nehru showed deep contempt. Nehru showed disdain for Hinduism. And this is clearly, evident from the letter he wrote to Rajendra Prasad. And don't forget, Anjali, that in 1949, Pandit Nehru had even written a letter to the then Chief Minister of the United Provinces, now called modern-day Uttar Pradesh, asking Govind Vallabh Pant to remove the Ram Lalla idols outside the Ram Janmabhoomi site.
Okay, let's come back to Somnath, Ms. Verma.
Let me finish about Somnath.
No, let's stay about, yes, stay on the issue of Somnath. Yes.
Okay. Coming to Somnath specifically, let's get this very clear. Congress party has never once admitted that, yes, Somnath temple, which was razed to the ground by a Mahmud Ghazni, by Muzaffar Shah, by an Alauddin Khilji, by an Aurangzeb, finally, the rejuvenation of Somnath temple and celebrating the 1,000-year legacy of Somnath. That has been done by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, not only in his capacity as the Prime Minister of India.
But one could argue that Nehru was trying to be secular and keeping the situation of India in mind, trying to build its whole, India was trying to rise in the world order. He was trying to portray a secular image.
Can I just finish, Anjali? Yes, you're absolutely right. If you have to play the devil's advocate, when I say you, I mean anybody who wants to say that no, Somnath inauguration was spoken of as reeking of Hindu revivalism, had nothing to do with Nehru's contempt for Hindus, but it had everything to do with Nehru's love for secularism. I completely disagree. Okay. That is precisely, I was saying, be it Nehru's letter to Netaji Bose in 1937, clearly saying, let's remove these stanzas of Vande Mataram because they have a reference to Ma Durga, and this will provoke the Muslim community. I mean, he said it in as many words. He wrote a letter in 1949 to Govind
Again, we are moving to another issue.
Muslims.
Let's quickly bring in Mr. Raval also here. One question one could ask, it was all about the revival. One may say that Nehru thought that this was probably a revival of extreme Hinduism, but we have seen states getting involved in inauguration of religious or reopening of religious monuments. We've seen that happen in France itself. We consider it an extremely secular state, but we've seen Emmanuel Macron becoming part of the reopening of Notre Dame. So one can question whether Nehruji actually had no love lost for Somnath, or was it just about being secular?
Anjali, first of all, Har Har Mahadev and Jai Somnath to all the viewers of India today. I would like to pay tribute to those who fight since many years to save our temple, to save the legacy of Mahadev. I would like to pay tribute to, first of all, Hamirji Gohilji, who was the youngest prince. I would like to pay tribute to Vegraji Bill, the tribal leader. And I would like to pay tribute to those Brahmins, thousands of Brahmins who tried to save Somnath due to these attackers. Now, the second point, if you know, Somnath was in the territory of Junagadh state at that time. Now the district has been changed because I am from the same state. Okay. But at the time of partition, Junagadh Junagadh did not decide to go with India. Junagadh decide to stay alone or go with the Pakistan. But due to Nehruji's policy, due to Sardar Patelji's policy, due to Indian National Congress first government in India, we successfully got Junagadh back to our land. And that's why Somnath is with us now. Listen me carefully. Listen me carefully. Be in discipline. Be in discipline. Miss Verma, be in discipline. Be in discipline.
Miss Verma,
Be
let
in
him finish
discipline.
his.
Be in discipline. I
Miss
know.
Verma, Miss Verma,
you
let
are
him
not
finish
ready
his
to-
argument.
I know you are not ready to listen fact. Okay.
Mr.
Anjali,
Raval,
come
make
to the
it
point.
brief and precise.
Yeah. Come to the point, Anjali. This is very important part. This was very important part. And just because of that, Somnath is in the land of India. Now, in November 1947, Junagadh, we got the Junagadh back. 12th November 1947, Sardar Patelji first time announced that Indian National Congress led government of India will rebuild Somnath. December 1947, the Union Cabinet under PM Nehru ji, they have signed the
is this debate
documentary
about
that we are
Junagadh? You
going
did
to
not
rebuild.
me to deviate
Listen
from the
me
topic.
carefully. Miss Verma, you have to be in discipline. I
No.
know you are from indisciplined party. I know you are from indisciplined and I know you are from
Mr.
a
Raval,
lying party.
I'll quickly,
You
Miss
are from-
Verma and
I know
Mr.
you are
Raval,
from lying party.
I'm
Yeah.
sorry,
Yeah,
I'm just
Anjali.
going to quickly now
Anjali,
shut down this
Anjali,
argument that you are
In
having.
December 1947, Anjali is very
You're not
important.
being,
In
you're not
December-
being brief, Mr. Raval. You have to get to your point quickly.
Just 1 second. In 1947, Union Cabinet under Prime Minister Nehru ji passed the bill to rebuild Somnath. But Mahatma Gandhi ji advised to Nehru ji and Sardar Patel ji and Munshi ji that we should not use government money. We required less funding for the health issues, for the education issues, for the technological issues. So it was Gandhi ji who decided
Okay.
not to rebuild, reconstruct
Okay,
Somnath
Mr.
temple.
Raval, this is,
but we
you are
created a
shifting
trust.
blame. This is quite surprising because I would
No,
say
I'm
you
not
are
shifting
shifting
blame.
blame.
No,
Then you are
not at
accepting
all.
blame. If you take blame and shift it somewhere, you are accepting blame.
No. Anjali, I do have Munshi ji's later communication with Nehru ji. He clearly mentioned when Junagadh fell, Sardar Patel as Deputy Prime Minister pledged the government of India to the reconstruction of historical temple Somnath. The cabinet Jawaharlal Nehru decided to reconstruct the temple of government cost. But Gandhi ji
Mr.
advised
Raval,
Sardar
I will
not
pause
to
you here.
have this
I will
temple
pause you here
reconstructed at government
because
cost.
I
This is
understand what you're trying to
documentary
say, but I will let Miss Verma, Miss Verma, I will come back to you because also Dr. Bhatt is with us. Let's quickly
But
bring him
Anjali,
in here.
Just 5 seconds, please.
I have
Anjali,
given you
5
enough
seconds,
time.
please.
I have given you, I'll come back to you.
In my second slot, please cut down my time. In my
Okay,
second slot,
okay,
I would
take your
request
10
you.
seconds, please. Okay.
Yeah, Anjali, but the thing is, just because of this first government of India, Nehru ji and Sardar Patel ji and Munshi ji ideology, they created a trust and they asked people to fund it. And because of that trust, Munshi ji was the first president of that trust. Somnath temple was reconstructed, and that's the fact.
Okay, Mr. Raval, but there was some apprehension on part of Nehruji, which is clear from all the letters that we read. We will be coming back to you for that. Now let's go across to Dr. Bhatt. Dr. Bhatt, the blame is also coming on the historians. Prime Minister says that the history of Somnath has been whitewashed. Is that true? Are we as Indians not hearing the right or reading or studying the proper research true history of Somnath?
Problem crops up when people start defining the historical events in their own personal interest. The interest can be anything. And this is not happening right now. It has happened always, from time since immemorial. It is simply like anything has different, the angles. Here I would like to tell you the best part is when if you want to know what exactly the history is, so if you are reading the history of only the historians of one side, because when historians write, they are also human beings, and their set of values, the person who is the historian when he is writing, that also influences his history. So a very rough example is that if we read about the 1857. So if you read a British historian, they will always dismiss this as a sepoy mutiny,
Mutiny.
as something very small. If you read the Indian side, they will say it was the first
Revolution.
war of independence.
Yes.
And as a historian, if you ask me as an independent, I'll call it the uprising of 1857. But there are very few people. So when we talk about the attacks and destruction of the Somnath temple, we should not only read the Indian historian, we should also read the historians of the Persian historians also, Turco-Persian historian. I would like to give you the example like Al-Birni is there. Then after Firdausi is there, who's written the Shahnama. Then after
But that I understand, but
Nadir Siraj is there.
that I understand, Dr. Bhatt. You are talking about here. You were talking about an individual with an educated mind going and researching. But what the Prime Minister is probably referring to is the fact that how it is taught in our textbooks. How a common man or child is exposed to the history of Somnath Temple, that he feels is whitewashed.
See, the word, I'll not use the whitewash, but I think there's always a room what was being taught about the Somnath temple, and there's a plenty of a room to research on it
Okay.
and bring the further about it, what exactly it is like. Because if you're not regularly researching it, then the information which you have, that becomes stagnant.
Okay, we can bring in
So
more
there's a lot of room
perspectives,
to
you
improve.
feel, more perspectives into the history books, not just keep only one historian's perspective when we teach
Absolutely,
important
you are 100%
issues like
correct.
that.
You are
Right.
100%, and here I will like to add one thing more.
Ah.
That's my personal view. You can agree with me or you can disagree with me. That is that the Indian history, which is being taught in the India, unfortunately, that's the history of only disappointments. You know, it's always, you know, you read that Indians they have been very submissive. They couldn't defend themselves. See, I can understand that
Okay.
you know there are reverses and there are victories.
Okay.
But then there should be some balance of it.
Okay, you feel that
One-
India's glorious moments are not being taught enough. Let's quickly bring in other
Yes,
people also in this
yes.
conversation. Yes, Ms. Verma, you have been trying to make a point for a fairly long time. Please go ahead.
You know, Anjali, my only request to you is, I saw that the Congress spokesperson spoke at length on Junagadh, which is not the topic at hand. I need my time without being
Please go
interjected.
ahead.
I'll quickly finish. Thank you. First and foremost, let's get one thing very, very clear. Be it the consecration of Lord Ram at the Pran Pratishtha ceremony at the, Ram Janmabhoomi temple in Ayodhya, be it flying aloft the Dharma Dhwaja on atop the Ram temple, be it Amit Shah paying obeisance in Kerala at the Sri Padmanabha Swami temple, be it Prime Minister Narendra Modi rejuvenating the Ujjain Mahakal corridor, be it rebuilding the Kashi Vishwanath corridor. Who has done this? You know, proudly wearing his Hindu identity on his sleeves. It is a man called Narendra Modi. Prior to 2014, I don't know about others. I remember many of us were scared to say that we are proud Hindus. Putting vibhuti on your head, wearing a kalava, showing your janeyu, these were considered as being communal symbols. Today, I can proudly say I am a Sanatani. I belong to Hindu Dharma. And I'm so glad Narendra Modi has decided to be an unapologetic Hindu, wearing his proud Hindu identity on his sleeve, which Nehru never did, Indira Gandhi never did, Rajiv Gandhi never did, Manmohan Singh never did, Rahul Gandhi does not
But
do.
isn't that a
Priyanka
personal
Vadraj does not do.
choice? Ms.
I
Verma,
want to
isn't
come to
that
it
a
very
personal
quickly.
choice? I do
Yes,
not
very
wear,
quickly.
if I do not wear anything that signifies my religion, isn't that my personal choice?
Very nice question there, Anjali. You're absolutely right about personal choice. But it is not a personal choice when the Congress party files an appeal in the Supreme Court saying, Prabhu Ram to the hi nahi. This is a figment of the imagination of people. It is not a matter of personal choice when the Congress party files a petition in the Supreme Court saying, Ram Setu to kabhi tha hi nahi. It is not a matter of personal choice when Nehru shoots off letters to Rajendra Prasad saying Somnath temple reeks of Hindu revivalism. I mean, have you seen a sitting prime minister show so much contempt to a country where more than 80% of the population is Hindus? Tell
Okay.
me one thing. You know, Anjali, last 5 seconds.
Yes.
Be it George Washington, be it Donald Trump, be it Abraham Lincoln, be it Joe Biden, anyone for that matter, when they proudly take an oath on the Bible, हम ये नहीं कहते हैं that they are radical Christians. We should say, वाह जी वाह, ये कितने secular हैं. But when Prime Minister Narendra Modi decides to take part in the Shaurya Yatra, the same Congress Darbari ecosystem says, Narendra Modi ने तो सब कुछ इस country में communalize कर दिया है. What is soft
Okay.
for the goose should be soft for the gander as well.
Okay.
And it's high time the Congress wakes up and smells the coffee. You
Okay.
guys are anti-Hindu. That is the reason you've lost 3 Lok Sabha elections in a row. People can see through your facade. People
Okay.
can see through your charade.
Okay, Ms. Verma, let me take that question now to Mr. Raval. I do want to add something over here. Maybe sometimes Congress and Mr. Nehru could be accused of sometimes trampling over the hearts and sentiments of Hindus in trying to maintain that secular line that he always followed. Those were his idols. He kept them atop pedestals. But is it possible sometimes he trampled the sentiments of the majority of the country?
Anjali, you are talking about the sentiments of the Sanatanis and Hindu, right? About the Nehruji, you said. Now, let me know one thing. Who are the maximum students studying in IIT right now? Who are the maximum students from which community studying in IIM right now? Which officers are doing their jobs in
Say Jai Shri
DRDO
Ram.
right now?
Say
Which
Har Har
community?
Mahadev.
Miss
Will you
Verma,
say that?
I don't
No.
need to.
You
I
will say
don't
that
need your
on
certificate.
yes, and
I
people
don't need your
abuse-
Ms.
certificate.
Verma, let him
People
finish
say
his
that
argument. He
Here
gave you
my
your
locket.
time.
Here my
People say
locket. I want to show
He
you.
gave you your time
24
apart from
hours,
that
run
little
away from
chuckle
people.
that
I
he
don't
had let
care.
out.
You
He
can
gave you
run
your
from
time, Ms.
We don't
Verma.
care.
Miss Verma, Ram is written
You
here.
are not
Okay,
a
so shut your
Hindu
mouth.
in true
Sanju
Shut
sense.
Verma,
your mouth.
you have to
You
give the
abuse
time to Nishant Raval. He gave you
people
your
who
time.
You
exist in
are fake
Chakra Yatra.
Hindus.
You
You
abuse
people are
people who
fake
say
Hindus.
Har Har
You
Mahadev.
people
You
are
Now,
fake
abuse
you
Hindus.
know,
people who say
this
Jai
is the
Shri Ram.
problem. Now the argument
Sonia
is
Gandhi
not
is a
audible.
Christian.
Miss
Yes
Verma.
or no?
This is
Rahul
Rudraksh.
Gandhi
Sanju
is
Verma,
This is
I
a
Rudraksh.
request
Christian.
you.
Yes
You
or no?
don't have
Sanju
single
Verma, I
sign
request you.
of
You asked
Mahadev.
for your
You
time.
don't have
We
single
gave you
sign.
your
Prabhu
time.
Sudha.
Now you
Sonia
have to
Gandhi
stay
is a
quiet and
Christian.
let
Yes
the
or
other
no?
side also speak.
Is
I am
Anjali,
Sonia
sorry.
these people,
practicing Christian?
Anjali,
Yes or no? Jawab do.
Sanju Verma,
you
I
Don't you
am
don't
dare
have
begging
say
you.
Hindu.
single
I
Don't
sign.
you
am
dare
You
say
requesting
don't
you.
have single sign
You
of
guys
our
are
God. You
anti-Hindu.
don't have
You
single
guys
sign
are
of our Devta.
anti-Sanatan.
You people are fake
Udayamini
Hindus.
Stalin
You are
compared
just
Miss
Sanatan
Verma,
spreading
Dharma
Miss
with
negative
Verma,
unity and
narrative
Miss
and
Verma,
Hallelujah.
pervert.
Did you
Sanju
condemn
Verma,
Udayamini
Sanju
Stalin?
Verma, I am
Did
begging
you
you. You
condemn
have to
Udayamini
let the other
Stalin?
person also speak.
Anjali.
This
Did
is
you
not a
condemn
debate
Anjali.
Udayamini
otherwise.
Stalin?
This is not a
Anjali.
debate. Please,
Did
Anjali.
Miss
you
Verma.
condemn Udayamini Stalin?
Anjali, Anjali,
Yes, please
Anjali,
continue.
under the name of Kashi Vishwanath corridor, these fake Hindus and fake Hinduism party BJP, they have destroyed 200 to 300 temples. One temple was 15 years old. One was 2000 years old. And that is not my statement or Congress statement. This is the statement of Saraswati ji, Sankaracharya ji. And he was very angry on that. All the murtis been spent to the garbage. The policy of BJP. Now I come to the point. You asked me very simple question about Nehruji. Nehruji's connection with Hindus, right? Nehruji was Kashmiri Pandit. He always respected Somnath Temple. He never communicated, never written any article or letter, and he never said that he is against rebuild or reconstruction of Somnath Temple. At that time of 1947, we were facing the serious issue of partition, and everywhere communal riots were happening. At that time, spending government money on a temple was not a good idea, advised by Mahatma Gandhi ji. And that's why the government of India,
Okay.
Congress government, decided to
Okay.
create a trust
Okay, I
and
have
get
just
the
a
money
minute
from. What's
left.
wrong in it?
And
What's wrong
no,
in
no,
it?
I just have a minute left, and I would, in fact, request all of you to give me 10 seconds of your opinion and stick to it. Ms. Verma, 10 seconds, please.
You know, in 10 seconds, I will just say this. Thank God, Narendra Modi became Prime Minister for the 3rd time in a row.
Okay.
We had a civilizational issue like Ram Janmabhoomi, which has been resolved.
Okay.
We have had the Shaurya Yatra at Somnath.
Okay.
We've had the
10 seconds
rejuvenation
are
of
over.
Ujjain Mahakal.
Okay.
We've had the rejuvenation of
Okay,
the
I'm
Kashi
moving
Vishwanath
on.
corridor.
I'm moving on to Mr. Raval. Yes, please. 10 seconds.
Modi ji has not resolved any issue. Supreme Court of India has resolved the issue.
You can keep
Miss Verma,
you can keep
please correct
crying.
your knowledge.
You can
Please
keep
read some
Miss
books.
Verma, you're taking
Please
away
read
his 10
some
seconds
books.
also.
Please
You
read
can
some
keep
articles of
crying.
India Today and then come to the
Rotary
debate.
Rotary
Please read some
Okay.
India Today's
Mr.
articles and then
Bhatt,
come to debate.
Mr. Bhatt, I'm sorry, I'm requesting you to speak over this din, but what is your last comment? Mr. Bhatt, Dr. Bhatt.
Advice to everyone is that we must revisit the history, and if we find some glorious chapters on the part of Indians, we must bring them to our school books.
Right.
We must bring it to our universities so that we
Right.
should not demoralize when we read the Indian history.
Right.
We should be, at least there should be a balanced.
Absolutely. Thank you very much to all of you for joining in. Maybe it's time for us to look forward and celebrate the Indian civilization as well, but take everyone together when we do so instead of debating past and raking up past issues. Thank you very much for watching this.